Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can update your iPhone to the latest iOS 18. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, you want to tap on settings, so swipe across and locate settings. Now if you can't find settings, you can go all the way to the right hand side in here. In the app library, you can type in settings and then open up settings. In settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Next, tap on software update, and now we wait for the phone to find the new update. After that, you can choose update now or update tonight. So tap on the update now button to proceed. Next, we put in the phone passcode, and now it is updating your iPhone. And then tap on agreed, then tap on agreed, and that's it. So now we just wait for the software to be downloaded to your device. Once it's downloaded, your phone will go ahead and update. Now make sure that your phone is fully charged. This is a major update and it may take some time, so you wouldn't want your phone to stop halfway during the update. That can cause all sort of issues. Also, another thing is before an update, if you can, it's best that you back up your iPhone, so you can back it up to a computer, such as using iTunes on Windows computer, or backup to your Mac computer. In the event the update fail, that can cause data corruption. So it's best if you back up your device before proceeding with the update. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video and enjoy your new update. Thank you for watching this video.